Hi everybody, it's Janella Bella, the eBay seller, and I'm on Poshmark too now. So you can find me in either place, my inventory and my items. And I'm wondering if this little string in this light is in the way here. Anyway, if it is, ignore it. I am going to take you through my inventory that I sourced last week at the Salvation Army, where they have one tag is 25% off and another color tag is only 69 cents, no matter how much is marked on the tag. So I got some really great finds, and I'm going to share some of those with you today, and hopefully you'll be able to find a place nearby you, Salvation Army, that has the same deal that we do, and it can help a lot with your inventory and costs, keeping your costs down and getting good quality stuff. So I'm going to get started. I might have to break this up into two videos because I can only upload 10-minute videos at a time. Okay, so I'm going to start here. We got a really cute sweater dress, and I know it's summer, but that's okay because I could put it up now, see if it sells. If not, I can put it up in the fall and it'll definitely sell. It's really cute. It was $9.99 and I paid 69 cents. I got this beautiful Calvin Klein dress, if you can see it or not. It's really, really cute. And it was $17.99. And it's only 69 cents. Can't beat that. Whoops. This is a petite sophisticate dress, and it's really, really cute on. I tried it. It's my size. And it was $10.99, and of course, you know how much that cost. This here is a J. Crew blazer. Like each time I go to the Salvation Army, I pick sometimes women's tops, women's dresses, men's tops, blazers, jeans. I choose what I'm going to pick and do that day. So this last week I decided to go mainly for blazers, and then I found a lot of cute things on it when I was end cap shopping, and I'll tell you about that again later. But anyhow, this is a nice J. Crew blazer. J. Crew sells well. It was $8.99 and it was 69 cents. This here is a really nice blazer from the Banana Republic. Can you see that? Banana Republic. And it was $12.99. And of course, I got it for 69 cents. I should mention that everything you see on this entire rack, I got last Saturday, and it cost me $31. That's with tax and everything. $31. This is a Giorgio Sant'Angelo, and it is a really well-made blazer. I love the pocket, and it's got a little pleat in it, and it's got the buttons, and it's just really well-made. It was $6.99. I don't know why it should be $16.99, but for me, of course, you all know that I only paid 99 cents for it. So this will go fast. This here is an Austin Reed blazer. Very, very fine fabric and marksmanship construction. It was a size 12. I paid $7.99. Well, no, I didn't pay $7.99. You know what I paid. Right here, this isn't from the Express Design Studio. It's a blazer, and it's size 12. And it was $8.99, and it's very, very sharp, and I like the way it's kind of like tailored to be form-fitting. This is just a Chico's oversized shirt / jacket. You can wear it any way you want. It is a size 2, which is about a 14, 16, 18 in women's regular sizes. Chico's sizes, you need to interpret them. It was $6.99. I paid 69 cents. This here, I love this blazer. It's an Alfani, and it is kind of like, it's a gray with a blue stripe. I don't know if you can see the blue stripe in it. It's very, very cool. It's tailored, so you have that figure flattering line on it with some pockets. And the back, I love this. It's got a band across here and little ruffling in the back. And when I tried it on, it just was very figure flattering. 69 cents. This is a Barry Bricken jacket, and it was $8.99, and it's very high quality. It's black and gold, which I thought was really, really cool. I hadn't seen anything like it before. I love how it's got like the short Nehru collar, and the buttons are really nice, and the sleeves have the buttons as well. And I picked up this little shirt as well, which is black and gold, and can be worn underneath it with a tank or a t-shirt, a dress tee, you know, but really, really cute. So the jacket was $8.99. The shirt was $8.99. It's made by Tito. Tito? I don't know. I've never really bought this brand before, but both $8.99. But I paid 69 cents. I like keeping myself organized because it's so much simpler. Okay, so this is an Ann Taylor jacket. It's beautiful. It was a size 12 and it was $9.99. I paid 69 cents. It's really cute. It's also got seaming here so that it gives you that little waistline thing. Very, very pretty jacket. This is a brown Banana Republic jacket. It's made from very earthy, like organic feeling material. I liked it a lot. So it's got a 3/4 inch sleeve to it with a little button on the back, and it's got little pockets with little pleats in it. It was $7.99. It's a size 6. Paid 69 cents for it. I'm going really quick, I know. This is the BCBG jacket. It's Maxa Zaria. It was $8.99, and it's cute. The pockets are awesome on it. It's got regular pockets, and then it's got this like little side slit pocket, and the back is tailored, as you can see here in the seams. And it was $8.99, and we know what I paid for it. Piece of lint here. I'll get it later. This is a 9 & Company jacket, and it is a size 6 petite, which is my size, and it was $7.99. And of course, you know what I paid for it. Again, it has that band in the back, which makes it come in a little bit at the waistline, which gives you a nice flattering figure. This is a corduroy jacket. I took a chance on this. It's from Talbot's, and I think corduroy is coming back. I just got this gut feeling that corduroy is coming back in style. And so I got it, and I like it because it's not too long. You can wear it with a pair of jeans, and it's got buttons on the cuffs, and it's just really cute. So $8.99, but that's not what I paid for it. This is an Anne Klein jacket. It's so well constructed. I mean, I wish you could feel and see this in real life. It's got a little pocket up here, and then it's got the little fake pockets here. Oh wait, they're not fake. You gotta take that little piece of thread out and you can use it. And it's a button up, and you got buttons on the sleeve. This is the back. Anne Klein, $8.99, 69 cents. I'm gonna see how many minutes I'm on. I've got about 40 seconds. This here is an Express Design Studio blazer. Really, really cute. You can see how it's tailored in the back. And you can wear it with a pair of blue jeans, a pencil skirt, a pair of dress slacks, a sweater, or a cami underneath. And it was $8.99. This here's a Talbot's jacket. It's cotton, and it's a blend of cotton and spandex, I think. But anyway, it's a stretch, and it's $8.99, or it was $8.99, and I paid 69 cents for it. It's more casual and more organic. I like it. Okay, I am going to show you one more, and then I have to stop the video and restart. So this is it's like a shirt jacket. It's made by a company called Dialogue, and I've never sold Dialogue or seen it before, but I checked it out online, and it does pretty good. What I love about it's got these great buttons. They're like, let me see here. I don't know if you can see that, but they're all the same, and you put it in and you fold it over, and I just thought, what a cute design. So this was $9.99 and I paid 69 cents. Okay, so now I'm gonna stop the video because I have to restart, otherwise I won't be able to upload it. Please comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and stay tuned for the rest of this haul.